And I'm back, and guess what? I'm at it again. This is a PAL 350M. PAL 350M. This one needs a lot of work. I've already done some work on it already. Actually, I got most of it done, which I didn't make a video on because I was too busy with the other linear, and I figured, But I figured I'll show you guys what I'm doing. This linear is much more sophisticated. Of course, it's more power. I think when you have really good tubes in here, this thing will do about 350 to 400 watts maximum. I had to replace the capacitors. Those two black ones that you see right there. The other ones were fried. There was one right here. See that one? The orange one? Okay. There was one in there before I put that in, and it was blown to bits. So I don't know what happened. I think he had some kind of short or something kind of surge. I'm not sure, but maybe the capacitor was just too old and it couldn't handle anymore. So anyways, I replaced that. This big capacitor right here, this one, the can, that was all loose. And it was shorting out against one of these terminals here, I think. And it was arcing. Maybe that was the cause of that capacitor to blow up. I don't know. It was a missing light bulb. I put that in. That was no big deal. So anyways, the preamp for the receive does not work. I found it is disconnected. There's supposed to be some wires running from here and going down to a resistor, which is right here mounted. And that's totally missing. But it's only a receive preamp. I'm not concerned. I find that most receive preamps do not work well when there's a lot of ground noise and static, so it wouldn't help you a bit. Cleaned this relays, and there's like total of 3 relays over here. I cleaned all the contacts, spray cleaned them. Let's see, what else did I do? Oh yeah, there was a wire right back here, which is supposed to be grounded, and that was totally disconnected. So I soldered that back. All right, this is one of the tubes I just got in today. I'm still waiting for the other 3. So I figure I just put that one in. I checked everything in here. Everything seems to be there. There's a relay under the tube, which I cleaned that one. So basically I also have to give it a good cleaning before I have everything together. I got to clean this whole chassis out, get all the dust out. Let's see, I lubricated all the switches. They were pretty much stiff. I think the previous owner of this must have been a smoker, because it's got some nicotine tar, especially in the front face. Other than that, that's it. I mean, it looks to be all intact. I went through the whole diagram and didn't find any missing components except for the ones that come from here and travel down there for the preamp. So I'll make another video on it. Keep you guys updated. Have yourself a good one.